Just going to redesign this mount. I'm still getting a bit of wobble. So no jello, but a bit of wobble. So I'm going to thicken it up and attach it slightly differently. We'll see how that goes. And it's going to be printed in TPE. There we go, there's my improved design. Made it a bit thicker, shorter, and then it can fit on the little aluminium spacer that goes between the frame. To see how this one goes, a little test. Printed out alright. That's a crazy overhang in TPE. This is the problem. It's doing this basically on the camera. But obviously when the camera's in there it adds support, but we'll see. I'll just keep on adding stuff until it's stiff enough. I fitted the, pushed that through there. There's a 4mm hole. It's fairly tight in there. Bit of a job to get it in. But I pushed it in, and then that is going to go, I'm hoping anyway, it will go in there, in between those two gaps. So let's put that in there, see what it looks like. The mount is on, it's actually looking quite good to be fair. And it's got a lot less wobble, Now it might be way too tight and I get jello now. We'll have to see how it gets on. Just need to plug the power in. Next upgrade will be a slightly taller aerial. So it's just a bit short. Anyway, that's looking good. Death Wish. New camera mount.